It's Christmas in July! Let's talk Christmas crochet patterns. Today, even more Christmas trees. Wow! I'm for big crochet. Tree patterns for you. As you can tell, these are all free. So let's take a look. Gorgeous one. I love the way that sort of realistic look of the branches. An abstract one, as you can see, you can make them in different colors and give them cute little beads as decoration. And this is a set you can make in different sizes, and using this special yarn it gives a nice snowy feel to it, but you can also add little beads and make it a cool striped one. This is very cute. The Christmas decoration. I like the garland, like a snowy garland with sprinkled with little glass beads and a cute little star on top. These are adorable. The lines are beautiful. They're simple. I like the idea of making a Santa tree, and buttons as decorations is a great idea. Pom-pom. This isn't strictly not crochet, but I love the idea, so I included it. These are made with pom-poms. Dust off your pom-pom making skills and get busy for Christmas, I'd say. Here's another close look. You can make them in different color layers and make them all the same colors and use smaller pom-poms or small little bead type things to put in there. And this one is made out of crochet layered, I think around different sizes of rings. It's a great idea. It's a very chunky yarn that's been used. The idea is absolutely fun. And this one is a traditional one. I really like the sparse decorations, almost monochrome. Gorgeous. This one's fun too, with the traditional Christmas colors and a beautiful star on top. And they're getting smaller and smaller, aren't they? I like the colorful beads in this cute little crocheted Christmas tree. This one is adorable too. I like the effect of the two greens interwoven together. And here's a Christmas tree that comes with its own little angel. I like the little flower beads that are used as decor. Oh, these are fun. Look at them. They have their own foot. The Christmas stocking. How fun are these Christmas trees with their cute hats? I like this one with the long. Adorable. A more traditional Scandinavian type feel. I like the color pattern. This is very decorative. If you make them in your, well, you can make them in the traditional Christmas colors, but you can also make them in as big as you want or as small as you want in your favorite colors. Looks very nice, as do these. And these are some almost abstract Christmas tree shape, but you can add in all sorts of decorations or just leave them as they are, whatever your inclination is. I really like these. Very small, very cute. Very Christmassy. And I hope to see you again tomorrow for more Christmas in July. Happy crocheting!